So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a attractive and professional thumbnail for a YouTube video. So if you're new to your channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the notification from my channel. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and start the video. So all you have to do, first of all, you have to go to Google, and here you have to type Gemini. Click on the first link, and you have to sign in with your Google account or it will automatically be signed in. So after that, here you have an option to create image. Just click on this. And if the Pro is not selected, select the Pro because there are three options: fast, thinking, and Pro. Pro will give you a professional image. So the prompt you have to write here to make thumbnail for your video, you have to write create a professional thumbnail for my YouTube video. After that, you have to type the title of your video in your in the inverted commas. So the title of the video must be, so let's say it is how to make Gmail account. Let's say you are making a tutorial on how to make Gmail account. So you can just simply write any title you want. And if you want your face to be inside that thumbnail, you can simply click on this plus button, agree, then upload file. Then you can just simply upload your image from the computer. And after that, you have to submit this prompt, and it will take a while. With the help of this Nano Banana, it will recognize everything. So as you can see here, actually made a very attractive and professional thumbnail for our YouTube video. And make sure to write landscape ratio so that the thumbnail has the perfect dimensions for your YouTube thumbnail. So yeah, that's for the video. If you find it really helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you do not have to miss any video. Thanks for watching, guys.